first half of next week. Weather.gov/Tulsa contains additional information. At 10:54 a.m., no significant precipitation was detected in eastern Oklahoma or northwest Arkansas.
Why?
The Tulsa area forecast for the rest of this morning and into this afternoon. Mostly sunny with temperatures rising to 80 to 85 degrees and south winds 10 to 15 miles per hour. The Tulsa, Oklahoma climate summary is of 9 a.m., June 23rd, 2021. So far today, the low temperature has been 68 degrees. No precipitation has fallen. Sunset tonight is at 8:45 p.m. Sunrise tomorrow is at 6:07 a.m. The current time is 11 a.m. Central Daylight Time.
That's off. I
The
need to change that.
forecast for the Tulsa area, including much of northeast Oklahoma. The rest of today, partly cloudy. Highs around 90. South winds 10 to 20 miles per hour. Tonight, mostly clear. Lows in the upper 70s. South winds 10 to 15 miles per hour with gusts to around 25 miles per hour. Thursday, partly cloudy. Highs in the mid-90s. South winds 10 to 20 miles per hour with gusts to around 30 miles per hour.
Oh.
Heat index readings 100 to 109. Thursday night, mostly clear. Lows in the upper 70s. South winds 10. The preceding signal was a test of the NOAA radio all hazards public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard.
Statement lights out.
Tests of the signal and the receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service each Wednesday between 10 a.m. and 12 p.m. local time. If there is a risk of severe weather, the test will be postponed until the next good weather day. Reception of these broadcasts, and especially the warning alarm tones, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties. In Oklahoma, Adair, Patoka,
Oh, this is on the wrong channel.
Rogers, Sequoia, Tulsa, Wagoner, and Washington. In Arkansas, Benton, Carroll, Crawford, Franklin, Logan, Madison, Scott, Sebastian, and Washington. In Missouri, McDonald and Berry.
My radios are going out. Let's go.
Chautauqua, Labette, and Montgomery. This concludes this week's test of the NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards Public Warning System. We now return to our normal programming. The forecast for the Tulsa area, including much of northeast Oklahoma. Rest of today, partly cloudy. Highs around 90. South winds 10 to 20 miles per hour. Tonight, mostly clear. Lows in
I think we're just gonna.
South winds 10 to 15 miles per hour with gusts to around 25 miles
I'm
per
down on the
hour.
wrong channel.
Thursday, partly cloudy.
Oh god.
Highs in the mid-90s. South winds 10 to 20 miles per hour with gusts to around 30 miles per hour. Heat index readings 100 to 109. Thursday night, mostly clear. Lows in the upper 70s. South winds 10 to 20 miles per hour. Gusts up to 30 miles per hour in the evening. Friday, mostly sunny. Highs in the mid-90s. South winds 15 to 20 miles per hour. Friday night, chance of showers thunderstorms in the evening. Then showers and thunderstorms likely after midnight. Lows in the mid-70s.
Okay.
Chance
So,
of precipitation
I had
60%. Saturday, showers and thunderstorms likely. Highs in the upper 80s.
like 2 fails.
Chance of precipitation 60%.
This, which I'm just probably going to get rid
Saturday
of.
night, showers and thunderstorms likely. Lows around 70.
And this one.
Chance of precipitation 60%. Sunday,
Oh.
partly cloudy with a 50%
That's gonna be
chance of
touched.
showers and
And
thunderstorms.
then we're supposed to get severe weather another day, so
Highs in the mid-80s.
that's just great.
Sunday night, partly cloudy with a 30